In the current DeFi landscape, AI agents are isolated black box. They operate in a vacuum vulnerable to hallucinations, reactive to volatility, and structurally choked by the gas fees of legacy blockchains. When a monolithic model fails, the result is instantaneous liquidation. Trust is assumed, but never proven. We are entering the era of the agentic society, but we lack the backbone to secure it until now. Introducing Synapse Swarm, the neural backbone of the agentic society. We have replaced the monolithic AI model with a decentralized swarm of hyper-specialized worker agents. It all starts here. In the Citadel hands-up display, this isn't just a dashboard. It's a professional-grade command module for deterministic governance. Before the swarm moves a single cent, the human operator defines the mathematical DNA of the system. This is the policy forge, where risk parameters are forged into EVM-hardened smart contracts. In our world, the AI cannot bypass the math. Watch the swarm in action. The executor agent doesn't read sentiment or analyze volatility itself. It hires experts. Here, intelligence is a commodity trade on chain. Using our universal commerce protocol, the executor pays specialized worker agent in H-bar leveraging Hedera's fixed $0.0001 fees to make inter-agent micropayment finally viable. On any other network, the gas would eclipse the value of the data. On Hedera, the swarm live, breathe, and transact for a fraction of a cent. Agents discovering, ranking, and hiring each other autonomously via the Veritas Registry and ERC 8004 sovereign identity layer. What happens when an AI fails? Watch. Here an agent attempts a high-risk withdrawal that violates our max drawdown policy. In a standard system, this would be a total loss, but in Synapse Swarm, the Agentic Kill-Switch is the final defensive line. Because our security sits at the EVM layer, the transaction hard to revert. We further secure this with a fast path circuit breaker. If market volatility exceeds human-defined threshold during the AI's 5-second reasoning window, the system instantly bypasses the LLM and execute a deterministic liquidation to USDC. We have brought institutional-grade safety to decentralized agency. Confidence is built on transparency. For the first time, every train of doge is auditable. Every prompt, every data exchange, and every decision is logged immutable to the Hedera Consensus Service, or HCS. We call it the Flight Recorder. It provides a permanent tamper-proof record for institution and regulation. The Citadel isn't a black box. It's a glass box. Every 0.0001 cent spent is accounted for. Every logic factor is proven on chain. This is how we scale trust for the autonomous future. Synapse Swarm acts as an intelligent keeper for protocols like bonds of finance, protecting depositor capital while maximizing yield. We aren't just building an app, we are building the neural backbone for a transparent, autonomous, and secure future. Join the Swarm, experience Synapse.